Welcome to While We Were Distracted, the podcast where we explore topics that often get overshadowed in the rush of daily life.
This is the brief on invisible high-tech threats. Today, we're unpacking how unseen tech, from microwave weapons to stalkerware, targets us, and why understanding the science helps avoid the digital and physical tripwires we unknowingly walk through. First, the physical threat of microwave weapons like active denial systems. At 80 to 120 gigahertz, they flip water molecules 100 billion times a second. Unlike acoustic devices, they heat the skin's top millimeter, causing severe burns. Since 1996, suspected mobile Russian variants targeted 130 U.S. diplomats and CIA operatives, causing traumatic brain injuries and vertigo. If these are invisible, military-grade beams, how on earth is a regular person supposed to spot or stop them? Second, defense hits a legal vacuum. Physics helps. Water absorbs energy, so a wet beach towel protects you, while an aluminum poster reflects it. But citizens monitoring harassment frequencies get caught between constitutional rights and federal classified telecom laws. Think of it like trying to legally record a ghost. Physics gives you a wet towel to hide under, but the law won't let you turn on a radar to prove the ghost is actually there. Finally, the intimate digital threat of stalkerware. Abusers illegally use spyware to access GPS, texts, and emails, secretly activating microphones to eavesdrop within 15 feet. It requires brief physical access to install, and 85% of surveyed domestic violence shelters report victims tracked this way. We worry about foreign spies or high-tech military beams, but the most invasive surveillance is probably installed by someone who just asked to borrow your phone for 2 minutes. Whether utilizing a wet towel to block microwaves or securing your device against stalkerware, defending against today's invisible threats requires understanding the science and software working in the shadows. Stay vigilant.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for the next episode on While We Were Distracted.